Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a very quick guide on how you can add expenses in Zoho Books. This is useful for tracking your costs and managing business finances accurately. So once you're on your Zoho Books dashboard, you will just have to go to your expenses. So it should be somewhere right here. So yeah, once you see expenses, you will just have to click that. So it should be right here, and just go ahead and click the plus button. And once you're here, what you will have to do is you will select the vendor or payee. You will choose the vendor or person that you paid, and then you will just have to enter the expense details such as the date, the category, the vendor, the tax amount and all that stuffs, and the customer name, reporting tax, and notes it's optional. And yeah, and you could also attach or drop your receipts here, but it's completely optional. And yeah, and once you're done with all of the details, you will basically just have to click save. And yeah, that's how you can add expenses in Zoho Books to keep your finances organized. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.